Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files. When you find it, click on it. Then click on Download section on the left, located under Documents. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Then click on the best source for you and decide if you wish to use it just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!